Hi everyone, this is Dr. Len Fong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet. So let me share with you my screen. So I'm showing you a list of words that I created and put on Quizlet here, and I will share with you a link so that you have access to the list. But when you log in, you can create word list yourself so that you can practice the vocabulary words that you're learning. In this list, I'm actually sharing with you a list of words that appear in the week 1 of a Coursera course called The Science of Wellbeing from Yale University. I can also share with you the link to that course as well. It's a really good course. So my advice to you is to actually read the materials and watch the videos on that course first. And then when you want to practice the new words that appear in those materials, you can go to Quizlet and you can practice, because my general advice is to learn words from context, not just from a list like this. So let me show you some features of Quizlet here. When you log in, you have access to a list with the words and the definitions here. And perhaps the first step that you should take is to study the list here. And after you are familiar with the words, you may want to use the flashcards function here. Basically, you can go through and you can flip through the cards here. So let me see. If you may see a definition like this, and then you may try to remember in your mind what word is matched with this definition, and then you can flip to check, and you can move from one card to another like this. So it's a good way to try to remember new words that you're trying to learn. Now, if you click on Learn, there are different options here for you to follow. Let me see. Okay, so you can see a definition, and then you can choose the options, one of the options here. Let's see, an outcome or event that a person thinks will happen or look forward to. So that's an expectation. You can click on that and you're getting it. So you can move from one word to another, one definition to another like this. So let me go back because I want to show you more functions here. When you click right, it is a little bit more difficult. You see a definition and then you have to type the words. It is a little bit more difficult. You can also test to see if you remember the list. So there are different types of questions here. Sorry, you may hear the rain at my house at this time. So these written questions, you have to type your answer, but there are also matching questions and multiple choice questions. Okay, so let's go back. Apart from these functions, you can also play games. How exciting. You can play a matching game like this. And when you start, you can see a timer here. So maybe the goal is to try to do it as fast as possible. So when you match the word with the definition, they will disappear. Let's see, anxious. What anxiety. So when you match the word in the definition, they will disappear. Okay, let's see what else. There's another game that you can play here. This seems a little bit more exciting. You can set the level of difficulty. So right now I set it at, let's just say, easy. And you can click let's go, and then you can start the game. And the idea is that there are asteroids coming to Earth and you have to type an answer fast so that they don't hit the Earth. Okay, so let me go back, and I think that's all. I will share with you the link to this list so that you can play with it and have an idea of what it is like. But you can also create your own list so that you can practice your own new words. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you.